Also, if we see the artwork in the context of its history, that means this would enlighten the learners of the artist's intention in doing the work and add to the understanding of the meaning the work is supposed to convey. Okay, so that means that when we
Listen, honey,
appreciate
if I told you about the way that I felt, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me if you want it, baby.
Oh no, it's bad. Okay, so for now, I'm just gonna edit my Notion for today. I have a lot of things to do. I think this. Oh gosh, what happened? That's the deadline of our mind map. Let's do this at like morning. Hello. I think this is the first talking clip that y'all are gonna see. So today is September 6th. It's 11:41 a.m. Around 11:45, I'll start reading my mind map. Why is it gone? I'll start reading how many pages of mind map. I'm gonna read my module in management, and I still have 27 pages left to read. I'm enjoying my lesson for our HRM class right now because it's the legal environment, and well, I'm interested because the legal terms and everything is reminding me of game series. Speaking of game series, I have photo cards. I bought photo cards from Chico Nakaya. I wanna. So as you can hear, it's currently raining. It's 2 p.m. and I just finished my mind map. Oh no. Okay, so this is the mind map I made. I made it in Gitmind because I only need to earn points or coins by logging in every day, and you get 2 points, and you only need 2 points to export mind maps into JPEG, PNG, Word, PDF or such. So I think this is a very helpful app. I'm gonna link it down below, but anyway, this is my mind map. Yeah, that's my mind map, and now we're gonna pass it. I still haven't taken my lunch, and it's 2 p.m. I know it's bad, but like at least I finished something. At least I finished my freaking mind map. I have 4 hours, or like less than 4 hours in doing my economics activity because the deadline is at 6 p.m. So yeah, I have a lot of time, but I'm just gonna eat my lunch first. I've been studying since 12 or 11:45. Before 12, I started reading my module for the mind map, and then at 2 p.m. I finished reading, and I finished my mind map as well. I don't know if it helped, but while I was reading, I was listening to this playlist, this classical music playlist, because I saw Revisine. I saw her using this, and it helped her studying, so I'm gonna use it too because it somehow helped me focus naman. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat my lunch and let's get back to working later.
Oh, my friends don't
And
care about everything
solution
as
for
long
this,
as you got a story to
I'm
bring.
gonna
We'll
read it.
take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. So tell me if I'm starting to think so recklessly, I may just write a letter